Hey guys, welcome back to another Random Reviews video. Today I have a remote controlled skid steer to show off to you guys and play around with. I got this thing off of Amazon for $80. I'll post a link down in the description if you guys want to purchase one for yourselves. And guys, I'm really excited for this one. I've operated these machines in real life, and they're honestly one of my favorite little machines to use, just because they're just so compact. There's just something about that I love. And yeah, I can't wait to see what this little RC version can do. So let's get a look at this thing. Right off the bat, guys, it's obviously made to look like a Bobcat, which is the original skid steer company. The original company that was born, that came up with the idea for the skid steer. And just a little history for you guys. I believe the year was 1957. There were two brothers in Minnesota who needed a way to clean out a barn. I believe it was full of manure, and they were trying to figure out a way to efficiently clean it. And the skid steer became the solution. And here we are, some 68 years later, and this is what the skid steer has become. I believe the original one had 3 wheels, and obviously this one has 4, but pretty neat. You see the bucket here. The bucket actually has 2 little whatever you call these things, 2 little levers, or I guess they're not levers, but anyways, you pull these back and you can take the bucket off and clean it if need be. And yeah, guys, this thing is shiny right now. I have plans on putting this thing to work here in a little bit. You can see the Double E, which is the brand that sells these. I believe they have I believe they sell a more, to put it simply, more expensive version that's more intricate, I guess, and probably gives you a little bit more control and feels a little bit more realistic. So let me show you guys how to put the battery in it. Enough talking here. All you do is come to the back door here and get you a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the little screw that holds this door shut. Swing that puppy open, and there's your cable. It comes with a 3.7 volt battery. I'm just gonna throw this in here. There we go. And we'll tuck that away. Shut the door and re-screw it shut. So I like how they did the battery. I would have thought they would have put the battery somewhere underneath it, but just the fact that they actually made the back door functional is just a neat little feature for a dork like me. But battery is installed, and here's the controller, guys. Nothing too fancy, but I do like how it's like a PlayStation controller, and it fits in your hand nicely. It's not like a little awkward tablet. all you do is you flip the switch here after putting 2 AA's in here. Batteries are not included. And our remote is on. Flip this over, turn our skid steer on, and all you gotta do is just press any button, lever, and it started right up. So show you how the controls work real quick. This on the left here goes forward and back, and then you can go left and right with this lever. Pretty basic. And these buttons here raise the bucket and put the bucket down, and that's me pressing these buttons at the same time. And you can put it back down, and of course you do the buttons by themselves. And that's it. Put it back up, bucket down, bucket up, and there we go. And this button here, guys, I think it's just, I pressed it and it like simulates, it like puts on a little show for you. And I'll have to show you that maybe later. But the last 2 buttons will be your speed. So you can see a turtle and a rabbit, and you just press that, and it's like a slow and a fast mode. And then you got a horn over here. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Let me turn this thing off. Alright guys, so now that we've gotten a good look at it, I've showed you how it works, and I've even given you a little history about it. Let's take it outside and really put it to work. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I do appreciate you watching, and if you did enjoy, please remember to leave a like, as it helps my channel grow, and subscribe for more. Comment below what you thought about the video, and that's it guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.